In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to outline text and shapes in GIMP, a beginner-friendly tutorial that will guide you through the process with easy-to-follow steps. GIMP is a powerful, open-source image editor that you can use to enhance your digital artwork or designs. Whether you're working on a project for work, school, or just for fun, adding outlines to text and shapes can make your graphics stand out and add that extra touch of professionalism or flair that might be just what you're looking for. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to add the text or draw the shape you wish to outline within your GIMP project. Select the Text tool from the toolbox if you're working with text, and simply click on your canvas to type your desired content. If you're more interested in shapes, pick the appropriate Shape tool, be it a rectangle, circle, or another shape, and draw it where you see fit on your canvas. Take your time to get the positioning and size just right, because once you add an outline, making changes will require some extra steps. Once you have your text or shape in place, you'll want to prepare it for outlining. Right-click on your text layer or shape layer to bring up the menu, and then select Alpha to Selection. What this does is it takes all non-transparent pixels of the layer and selects them. Essentially, you're creating a precise selection around your text or shape, which is crucial for adding an even and clean outline. With your text or shape now selected, the next step involves defining the thickness of your outline. Head up to the menu bar and navigate to Select, then click on Grow. A dialog box will appear, allowing you to specify by how many pixels you want to grow the selection. This growth forms the space between your original text or shape and where the outline will extend to. Adjust this number based on how thick you want your outline to be. Keep in mind that a larger number will lead to a broader outline, which could be more visually striking, while a smaller number can offer more subtlety. Finally, it's time to fill your selection with the color you have in mind for your outline. Before that, make sure you create a new layer dedicated to this task. It ensures that the outline is separate from your original content, making future edits much simpler. Move to your Layers dialog, hit the New Layer button, and then use the Bucket Fill tool to fill the selection with your chosen color. If you're planning on using multiple colors or effects later, make sure to choose a color that complements your design strategy. And there you have it. You've successfully outlined text or shapes in GIMP, adding a stylistic touch to your project. Practice these steps a few times, and you'll be outlining like a pro in no time. Remember, this is just one of the many creative techniques you can explore in GIMP, so don't hesitate to dive further into its vast array of features.